The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion impact driver. Unmatched durability with Bosch-built hammer and anvil impact mechanism. Best speed and torque in class. Lightest and most compact. Best runtime in class. New Bosch Coolpack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion impact driver.
Bosch, invented for life.